Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we're stuck on Mokko yard, you see me? And the best feeling right now, so I always a smile. Mokko just share some food. I'm gonna beat up some ackee with some bread, some whole wheat bread. Then we're gonna head out on the adventure to Reggae Falls. I've never been there before, but if you guys come to Ras Kitchens at any point in time, Mokko Falls, not Mokko Falls. Reggae Falls is an attraction, so you guys can definitely check it out. I'll give you as much information as I can. Check in the description box for like locations and stuff like that. That's where you'll find all the information that you might need. Yeah.
I want to climb it down.
You can climb this tree, Mokko. You climb that tree.
Which one?
You want to have point behind the way, so?
Yes, man, I'm ready.
Right. That tree are probably like 50 meters. That's it.
Yeah, man.
I kill them there on the trees too.
Just not make this jam up there, man.
Cookie.
Cookie.
We'll go past the
Mine is drop out.
We'll go past the past 5 cookie. I'll start off after this.
Beach, me have a shop, me have everything, me have a big bed. See, my bed spread up nice like that one there. The one of them come there, you know, and look when they are doing the shop, you know.
Yeah.
And me have a kitchen and cook up, I give them coffee and fried fish. They say, you alone the year? I say, yeah man, and me alone live here. You can't see here with you. Good.
Well, when you used to live at Porty?
Yeah man, we sell condoms, we sell guineas, we sell red stripe, we sell Heineken, we sell cooking oil, we sell every blood thing here. The shop they drive them crazy. And bad mind and then burn it out.
You have bad mind and also you see say you're a roll.
Man, everybody has to go there and see there when you have to go there Friday. When the kid put on the life jacket and then call we up and sit and look on the man license. The man this get the license, the day, you know, yeah. And he carry go there, you know. So if the man never get the license at 29,000, he mean I go pay.
So you said they ask you how much you charge Reggae Falls?
Yeah, how much me charge to go Reggae Falls? They tell them no charge men to Reggae Falls. Because you can't get your family them. You move the rat from there. You can't get your family them. And top right the chairman. You can't get your family them. Friends and just cook out. Drink out. Drive your vehicle and the especially so right now.
Yeah.
How the nature stay. You go there now, you see vehicle in the water, people are cooking, people are
wash car.
People are wash car, people are all kind of nice things going on there right now. So it's good when people see all this nature what's going on at Reggae Falls today. Yeah. And then we like that. I don't want to come the 24.
Yeah.
Man.
Them there coconut here go chop.
Yeah.
No, at a calabash.
Yeah.
Oh.
You need that one?
So how much you sell me one calabash for?
One of them,
yeah?
One of them, $500. 2 of them are $1,000.
As in if you make one plate. So if you make 2 plates at 1,000? Yeah, you make 2 for me now?
Alright, yeah, almost this. Now I get a free cup.
A free cup too?
Yeah, man.
So I get 3?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So we call more to eat out there.
You can carve something on it, you can write one name on it.
That little cup you have here?
Wait, man.
That cup.
This guy drink your water out there?
Yeah. More than one so I can give one of my YouTube subscriber them. Can ship it to them. Yeah. So for those who don't know, recently I tried to buy a jelly in Kingston and it was for $200. How much you sell me one jelly for?
I feel no jelly bird.
Jelly man sell.
Vibes.
A man be a jelly sell.
So you can chop on it for me now?
Yeah.
Give thanks.
Up here, sir. Not
So you see the difference though, them people at them vibes are just a better vibe, you know, people just look out for you same way, you understand? And they must say, yo, buy jelly, nah, free thing, cause it's a Mokko property I think where in just have jelly just a grow, so yeah.
Look me man.
Mama, you want to bust.
Shit.
Mama, I want bust like that.
Okay, thanks bro.
Okay, bro.
See, the meat tonight too. There's a vibe before we touch up at Reggae Falls.
Meat in there.
Yeah. It's jelly sweet, yeah.
You want to meet the rat?
So mine just get cut a while ago. And there are things I gotta deal with it. I know some of you are just dying for us to just get to the falls, but you know, we just live, just do what happen until we get to the falls. But I can tell you this, I'm not a top state, like as a host, this man is just there for the guests, like 100%. The man just there for the guests 100%, like easy accessible. I'm always out in the yard, help you with anything. See him follow me go to the river in my car, I go Reggae Falls, like yo, I can't ask some more. Yo, ready for jump on the street and Ras Mokko sit down right there, son.
Yes, sir, right now.
Yeah, facts, alright.
But you see, today,
Whole heap of people again.
please turn up more yesterday. That's something. And I know up there.
Alright, we just get to a little part here when I look up. See like a real jungle thing. Where, you know, a tree fell down on the road